It's me.
And me.
I'm Justice.
And I'm Skylar.
And we're from
North Mason High School SWAT.
Help Desk. We're here to teach you about a new application called
ClassLink.
And we're gonna do it nice and wacky, just like you teens like.
Alrighty, let's get into this.
Whoa! Holy majoli, Skylar! We've been sucked into the cyberverse. We're in your ClassLink, Skylar. What do you think about that?
That's amazing!
It is!
Radical, bro!
It's whack!
It's whack!
Let's
talk about that. And welcome back to our ClassLink application help. If you look behind me, you'll see that this is my personal ClassLink, so it'll be a little bit more personalized than what it normally is for you. Anyway, as you can see, my list of applications, hopefully within this area. We've got Agile Minds, not sure what it does, but it's there. We have the Destiny NMHS library website, good for checking out books and looking at what books are in the library. After that, we have Flourish. No idea what that is. The next one is ST Math with Penguin on it. Also no idea what that does. After that is My PLTW, which is for STEM, or so I've been told. Then there's the North Mason School District homepage. Easy enough. Office 365 and Skyward. And with all of that, you can sign in on every one of those and never have to remember a single password.
Yo, that was Skylar with his applications. Now we're coming downtown to the My File Zone, which is at the bottom. You click it, you go to My Files, which is where we are right now. These aren't my files though, these are
My File!
You may be wondering, where's all my files? Well, I'll tell you where they are. They're at the bottom of the screen, under the folder labeled My Files.
It's right next to the My Apps button.
It's really easy to find, that's where all your files are. Soon, you'll probably see this screen, and you'll be like, whoa, there's my files. And then you found your files.
Whoa! We're back!
Finally, we're out of the computer.
We're back in the real world!
With you.
Thanks for joining us today here in our ClassLink application.